Just getting started with photography? Then you already know how overwhelming it can be to choose the right gear. From lenses and tripods to cleaning kits and memory cards, the options are endless. And not all of them are beginner-friendly. That's why we've rounded up 10 must-have camera accessories that are perfect for newcomers. Whether you're using a DSLR, mirrorless, or even your smartphone, this video will help make your journey as a creator smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get into it. When clear sound really matters, Saramonic Air steps up to make every word count. This wireless microphone system uses a 2.4 GHz connection that keeps audio stable and clean, so you can focus on telling your story without fighting cables. The slim metal charging case fits easily in a pocket, and the see-through lid helps you check everything fast before you hit record. It supports a dedicated lavalier mic and has a 9.7mm capsule that captures voices in a natural and detailed way, perfect for interviews, vlogs, or quick street talks. A built-in limiter handles loud sounds up to 116 decibel sound pressure level, stopping sudden peaks from messing up your take. And a safety track lets you adjust levels safely later. 2 noise control levels and 3 EQ modes give freedom to tune the sound for different spots, whether outside in the wind or inside a quiet room. With up to 9 hours of battery on the transmitter and 6 hours on the receiver, plus the ability to charge while recording, it keeps up with long shoots or live streams without slowing you down. This makes it a strong choice for anyone who wants to capture real, clear audio all day. Now let's enhance your creative possibilities with the versatile magnetic filter system K2. This system brings together everything you need for light control in one compact package. Think of it as your complete toolkit for managing any lighting situation you encounter. The magnetic design lets you quickly stack or swap filters without missing a shot. The system includes VND filters for exposure control, gradient filters for balancing bright skies, and creative filters like snow mist and glow mist for adding atmosphere to your images. What sets this system apart is its adaptability. It works with any lens up to 82mm, so you won't need to buy new filters when you change lenses. The built-in gradienter ensures your gradient filters line up perfectly every time. The K2 Island slot is particularly clever, letting you combine different types of filters for unique effects. When you're dealing with tricky lighting conditions, having instant access to various filter combinations can save your shot. Revolutionizing camera orientation, the ingenious Magic Plate lets you effortlessly switch between landscape and portrait framing without removing your camera. This smart Arca Swiss compatible quick release plate features a unique tilt mechanism activated by a simple button press. Gone are the days of twisting bulky ball heads or juggling cumbersome L brackets to shoot vertical compositions. In an instant, the Magic Plate uses intelligent leverage to flip your camera 90 degrees while staying securely mounted. The slim profile weighs just 160 grams, so there's no heft or accessory blockage to hamper battery access. An anti-drop pin ensures your gear stays safely in place. Whether climbing to impossible angles or shooting conventionally on a tripod, the Magic Plate empowers switching aspect ratios on the fly to capture fleeting moments. Its slim yet rugged build handles the heavy pro cameras and lens rigs. Scalloped edges provide an ergonomic grip to tighten the sturdy aluminum plate against twist-to-lock security screws evenly. After a day of shooting intense actions, your camera might get extremely dirty. So to keep your glasses and gears clean, a cleaning kit is essential. One of the best cleaning kits you can get today is the Altura Photo Professional Cleaning Kit. Inside the cleaning kit, you will find a lens cleaning brush. These brushes will get the primary cleaning done. Then there's the air blower to push out those stubborn dust and other particles. You're also getting 50 lens tissue papers and 3 microfiber cloths. These will help keep your glasses clean after a rough day. Besides all these, you also get a refillable bottle with the cleaning kit. It makes it convenient to carry when out and about. Also, since it's refillable, you can fill it with other solutions. Overall, the Altura Photo Professional Cleaning Kit will ensure your glasses are clean, just like on day one. The versatile Benro Gemini backpack comes in 3 sleek colorways: blue, gray, and camo. Convenient side pockets now feature Velcro closures for easily stashing water bottles or tripods on the go. An adjustable hip belt ensures a comfortable fit and even weight distribution up to 30-liter capacity. Interior dividers provide customizable storage to fit DSLR kits, drones, or everyday essentials. Dedicated pockets organize batteries, memory cards, laptops, and other electronics while protecting them from scrapes and spills. Gemini builds on Benro's reputation for rugged, reliable gear designed for photographers on the move. Whether trekking across urban jungles or scaling mountain peaks, this 3-in-1 carry-all has you covered. The streamlined, thoughtful design carries the core necessities without unnecessary bulk. For creators seeking an agile, durable, protection-focused backpack, Gemini delivers everyday versatility. Next, the BIGSOFTI delivers beautiful, diffused lighting to make you look your best on video calls, live streams, vlogs, and photos. Inspired by soft lights used in professional cinematography, BIGSOFTI evenly wraps subjects in flattering illumination. With a quick clip, it easily attaches to phones, laptops, tablets, cameras, and tripods. Weighing less than 1 pound, you'll barely notice it, but your viewers will notice the difference in image quality. 9 settings allow you to adjust brightness and color temperature for the perfect light in any environment. Whether you're a social media influencer, an aspiring filmmaker, or simply trying to look great on your next Zoom call, BIGSOFTI can make it just picture perfect. Its compact size and clever universal mounts make it an ideal accessory for content creation. Superior photography-grade bicolor LEDs ensure true color rendition. Forget harsh shadows or unflattering visuals. Take charge of your lighting with the portable BIGSOFTI Soft Light. Vastly improve production value, achieve a cinematic glow, and present your best self every time you go live or click record. Wherever creativity takes you, this little light will make you shine. While protecting your gear is crucial, getting the right exposure for your shots is equally important. The PMVND Edition 2 filter changes how you handle varying light conditions. The standout feature is its haptic feedback system. You can feel each exposure adjustment click into place without taking your eye off the shot. No more guessing or awkward fumbling with settings. This filter works perfectly with wide-angle lenses down to 16mm, and you won't see any dark corners in your images. The Defender 360 coating keeps water and dust away from your lens, making it reliable in any weather condition. If you're into creative shooting, the Mist Edition adds a beautiful, soft effect to your footage, perfect for creating that professional cinematic look. The preset stop range eliminates cross-polarization issues, so you can focus on capturing the moment instead of fixing technical problems. Now let's solve another common challenge: keeping your camera accessible without it swinging around your neck. The Peak Design Capture Clip V3 mounts securely to any backpack strap or belt, giving you a solid metal holster for your camera. The quick release system is brilliantly simple. One press of the button and your camera is ready to shoot. Built with aircraft-grade aluminum, it's 30% lighter than previous versions, but still holds over 200 pounds of gear. The anodized finish prevents wear and tear, while the embedded grip keeps everything firmly in place. You get 2 mounting options: quick adjust thumb screws for temporary setups and hex bolts for permanent installation. The clip works with any camera and stays compatible with Arca tripod systems, so you won't need to switch plates when moving between the clip and your tripod. Next up, the innovative Platypod Handle takes your camera support to the next level. This lightweight aluminum grip incorporates 8 threaded sockets to mount accessories for advanced lighting, audio, monitoring, and remote shutter control. With an extendable central column and stable wide base, the handle functions as a variable height camera riser for tabletop use, or lifted off the surface to record smooth handheld video. Dual twist locks allow rapid tool-free adjustments from 7 to 14 inches. Weighing just over a pound, It packs extreme versatility in a highly portable and compact frame. This elegantly machined accessory also works wonders as an overhead boom arm for shooting top-down product images or macro details. Attach it to any tripod or stand via a standard 3 to 8-inch thread. The secure metal handle provides a comfortable, fatigue-free grip so you can focus on composition. For vloggers and content creators, the handle lets you assemble professional production setups anywhere. Mount lights, microphones, monitors, and more to the 8 threaded points. Combined with other Platypod supports like the Max or Extreme base plates, it creates a customizable tabletop studio you can set up and break down in seconds. With its pared down yet purposeful design, the Platypod Handle opens new creative possibilities wherever your travels take you. Streamline run and gun shooting with this rugged, rapid setup support sidekick. Speaking of precise control, let's talk about the LensShifter Pro, a tool that transforms how you handle manual focus and zoom. If you've ever struggled with smooth focus pulls or precise zoom control, this accessory will change your shooting experience. The design is beautifully simple, a lever with a comfortable grip ball that attaches to your lens focus or zoom ring. What makes it special is how it gives you a better mechanical advantage using a lever system. You'll notice the difference immediately when you're trying to nail that perfect focus point. The matte black body blends naturally with your camera gear, while the colored control balls help you quickly identify which control is for focus and which is for zoom. For those shooting with white Nikon or Canon lenses, there's even a light gray version to match your setup. No more awkward hand positions or accidental finger appearances in your shots. The controls sit exactly where you need them. The clever part? You don't need to remove it when packing up your gear. It stays attached and ready for your next shoot. The included balance counterweight keeps everything steady so your lens won't drift when you take your hand off the control. So, that concludes our list of 10 camera gear and accessories. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.